1 feet there, 1 feet. Not too much distance, just little.
I usually use this because
Don't do too wide. Just go more closer so that you have a more. Yes. And then you're gonna be driving. When you drive, then what you will do? So you bend. So you go like this. Yeah. This goes here, and this goes down, and then you play the ball here. You play the ball here. Yeah. You do not play the ball here. It's gonna be lift up. Today, when you play the ball should be going round. So it has to be here. That's it. You don't do here. You do punch and then that's it. So if you're here, just do punch here. That's it. Not go up. This full shot. Don't take a full. Just do a punch. खड़ा रहो, पाँव नीचे करो.
That wasn't really a punch.
Keep the feet together. Don't too spread too far. Yeah. After hitting the ball, wait. Punch has to be here, not more than that. Good.
That was perfect.
That's the one. That's the one. That's the one. Hold the bat. Hold the bat. Hold the bat. Yeah. Good.
I feel like.
पाँव नीचे करो, रणजीत करो, more close करो. Yes. Do not bring the feet too close. Look the ball. Time it.
No, I was too
Bad.
far.
Punch it. Very good. Stop the bat. Stop the bat.
Is that too high?
Yeah, just go a little down. Good. Stop there. Okay. Good. Good. So you are doing better than Ishan. Arm closer. Tap and then look where I was standing. Back closer. Handle closer. पकड़ो. एक दूसरे के साथ. Yes. Good. Good. Do not take like this.
I know, when I feel like I know that I could have put more power, but I
Yeah.
put a lot more.
Okay. Back नीचे.
Oh,
Alright, rotate your arm there. Rotate your arm.
I need to practice.
Huh? Yes, that's it. Rotate your arm.
So I twisted it like.
Do you hear me? Rotate your arm. इधर आओ बीच में जा. Rotate your arm. Hold. Remove the bat. Hold the hand here. Rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way, other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotate your best little bit. play too many balls, you get a little stretched.
Oh yeah, that always happens to me.
Ishan was tired. Come on, let's go. Ready? Stay on the same line. Do not go too. खड़ा हो. Yes. Do not bend like this. Okay? Stand straight here. Bend little knee. And then when the ball ready, then just do like this. You are here, just do like this. Come on, ready? Let's do some straight. Keep the bat here. लेग में नहीं जाना है. ऊपर नहीं हिट करना है, यहीं पे करो. Go near to the ball. खड़ा रहो सीधा. टैप करके देखो कहाँ हो खड़ा. Go back little. Leg wicket पे खड़ा रहना है, right?
Oh,
You're not looking, huh? Look where are you standing. Ball should go here, based on the feet. See, feet is here, bat is going there. So your feet is here and bat is going here. That's bat. Bat and feet go together. Come on. Good. पाँव सीधा करो. Every time when you tap, look where are you. Put your feet proper. Just like this. Just a little. See the difference? Just a little. Not like here. Not here. Not don't stand like this too far. You can't move. Just have enough. Come on. Okay, we finished one bucket. Let's do a drive. Another bucket.
let's do pull now.
No pull. Just gentle drive. Straight drive. Chalo. Rotate. Bend your body. Use whatever. Rotate. Standing will not be. Now a straight drive. वहीं खड़ा होके मारो ऐसे. Don't go forward. See the feet should go this side. Feet and the hand back together. Bend नहीं होना है नीचे. पीछे खड़ा रहो. ऐसे bend करके ऐसे खड़ा रहो.
My feet was like this.
Every tap look back. Fast. Don't go too close. वहाँ look low, okay? Do not look up.
Dad, can I try something?
No. Shot is going for forward. Tap करके पीछे देखना है. Every time tap and back. Back. No.
I don't know what I did there.
Hold the bat here. Tap करके पीछे देखो. कहाँ खड़ा हो? Look your wicket. बस वहीं होल्ड करो. Go back में little. हाँ वहीं टैप करके पीछे देखो. Good. टैप करके पीछे देखो. हाँ पीछे करो थोड़ा. Leg wicket. Don't stay in the middle of the stump. Go in the leg. More back. Stay there like this. Look the wicket. Look here where you are standing. This is the leg here. You are on top of the leg. Go back. Yes. Back. You are not holding the bat.
Oh, my feet.
ऐसे करो. ऐसे जाओ. Come on. टैप करके पीछे देखो पहले. Where are you standing? Where is your feet and where is your bat going? You have to hold it. Even if you hit, hold it here. Even if you hit, hold it here. Yes. Don't move your bat too much. You are not supposed to move forward. You are supposed to move forward towards the ball. Move forward towards the ball. See here. उधर मारना है उस कॉर्नर में. उधर नहीं. स्ट्रेट ड्राइव का बॉल नहीं है वो. Straight drive ball is this. There you are going on the leg side.
Why does this keep going on leg?
Okay, do it again. Sudo karo. Stand on the line and sudo karo. Look where are you standing. Sudo maro. Where is your bat? Where is your bat? You play here. You play here. Here. You play here. You play here. You play the ball here. If you're far, you play the ball here. Keep the bat here, nearby. Don't hit it too high, too far. Come on. Look at the ball. Okay, straight drive mark. See your feet. Feet and the bat should go together. You're not practicing in the house, pseudo practice. Straight drive में पाँव सीधा रखो. Where is your feet? The feet should go like this. Straight drive, the feet should go straight. If you stand wrong, you have to have the feet straight. Look here, how I am standing. घर में practice करो. 1, 2, 3. समझा? Straight drive. Where is your feet? Straight करो feet को. Okay, this time don't hit the ball, just move. Okay, next again. So, again. Okay, again. That feet has to be like this. Okay? And the ball is supposed to be here. Feet supposed to be here. Here. Just below the nose. If this ball is here and my feet is here, what will happen? I am supposed to hit this way. You are hitting like this? No. Power doesn't go. Power goes like this. Open this thing. Come on. पाँव सीधा रखो. पाँव को straight डालो. Good. Good. Why you are going away from the wicket? Bat roko. Bat roko.
Why did I just do that?
That's good. चलो. पाँव को सीधा रखो. हाँ.
But how I flipped my wrist to the left?
पाँव को straight रखो. बैट को straight. Good. बैट मत उठाओ. यहाँ पे hold करो. काउंट करो 1 2 3. Straight करो feet को. See, getting much better. Good. Good. Yeah, back to rope roller. Okay. Where is your bat going? Why are you removing the bat? After playing, hold it. I want you to see. Bat. See where is the bat? The bat should be this side. Towards the feet. Yes. Hold करना है. Hold the bat. Do not go away. After hitting the shot, hold it. Hold करना है. Okay, count करो 1